Hello friends, welcome to another new video. Today in this video, we will learn and write best study timetable for every students. You can change it as per your convenience. Five to 5:15 a.m., wake up and freshen up, drink a glass of warm water. Five 15 to 5:45 a.m., morning walk, or yoga, or exercise. 5:45 to 6 a.m., shower. 6 to 7 a.m., study the toughest subjects, like physics, maths or chemistry. 7 to 7:30 a.m., revision time. 7:30 to 8 a.m., take a break, have a healthy breakfast, then get ready for school. 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., school time. 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m., freshen up, have healthy lunch, and take a nap to feel refreshed. 3:30 to 5:30 p.m., coaching or self-study. 5:30 to 6:30 p.m., break, plus healthy snacks, plus sports or walk. 6:30 to 7:30 p.m., homework or study. 7:30 to 8:30 p.m., dinner, you can reduce dinner time and add study time. 8:30 to 9:30 p.m., study time, different subjects. 9:30 to 10 p.m., watch TV, or family time. 10 to 10:30 p.m., revision time. 10:30 p.m., go to sleep.